cool updated parts. Alright, smart car is back together. Getting ready to fire it up. Just one quick thing on this that I found out the hard way. If there's any tension on the emergency brake cable, it doesn't release. Well, that's finally fixed. Thank goodness. Another quick, easy day. Everything's fixed. Might as well go home.